Good afternoon, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 116 now. Glad I got my audio and video working this time. I made sure the settings were correct. The last one I did, if you guys watched the original recording of the last video, it had no audio. It just had me just like going like this. But I just recently did a voiceover for that video, so you guys can rewatch it if you've been following me. I know I've been getting messages from people that have been following my channel, so I want to thank you very much for that. And yeah, so video 116 here, guys. I got some money that came in last night. Let's take a look at the notifications here. So we got 0.25%. So I made $46.22 on the money I've invested. So I'll click on the all is read. This kind of just signifies that I've read that notification with the notification bell there. So as you see now, my principal is 24,600, guys. And if I go to the investments section here, you will see, since I did my last combine, since the last video, I've made $98.86 on the money I've invested. As you also see, I have $465, guys, up here. That money is sitting here because that's just the money I want to enjoy. Now, what I might do in the next maybe week or 2 weeks or something like that, I might actually just reinvest this money back into the system, which will get this over 25,000. Which will take me to the next tier, the second highest tier. Reason being is because I'm going to be doing my taxes in the next like week to 2 weeks. So if I get a big chunk of change for my taxes, I won't really need to enjoy this money because I can just enjoy my tax money. You know what I mean? So I'll take this, throw it back into the system, and you see I'm $400 away from 25,000. So yeah, that'll put me over 25,000, guys. So yeah, it'll be either in a week or 2 weeks or definitely by April, what was it? April 18th, I think it is. Yeah, April 18th. That's 4 weeks from the last time I did the combine. Yeah, and then once that happens, when I do the next combine, April 18th, the monthly income from these two investments will shoot up to the top right, and then I'll just go ahead and make a $400 reinvestment. So it's either one of those two things that'll happen, guys, but it'll be within the next like 2 weeks to 4 weeks that I'll be reaching the $25,000 mark. Also, my team turnover here, guys, I'm going to be getting a $1,000 bonus. That's another thing too. I actually might get a $1,000 bonus within the next 3 to 4 weeks as well, because people on my team they're going to be investing a huge chunk of change back into the system to grow their account. And as you see right here, I am $3,041 away from the $1,000 bonus. So that's coming up real soon. I'm excited for that, guys. I had a couple more people sign up underneath me, so that's going to be happening. So a lot is happening here, guys. So if you're just stumbling upon this video for the first time, S Group, it's a system here that allows you to invest your money into various markets, which once it's invested, it auto grows on its own, basically. There's computerized bots that does all the trading and handling of the money for you, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to have your money invested, and then it'll start growing. So you can invest in these 4 areas: S Forex, what is the Forex market, S Pharmaceutical, medical marijuana, SIPO, it's the different various stocks that they have business with, and they have computerized bots that does the stock trading for you. So all you have to do is invest, and then everything does everything for you. And liquidity mining is their own token system that they have, which is on a market as well, which fluctuates, goes up and down, but it goes up more than down, so you do make some money. Not as much money as I would say Forex does. So Forex was the original investment area that was around when I joined 2.5 years ago. So yeah, that's why I have all my money in Forex. But as time goes on, I can see years down the line, I'm going to throw money in these areas so I can make other passive income avenues as well with the money I've invested in the system. So yeah, guys, so things are doing real well. I just want to make this 5-minute daily review video to show you where I'm at and what kind of my projection is going to be. If you're interested in getting into S Group, there's a sign up link down below. And once you click on that sign up link, just fill out the form. You can sign up and join my team, and I'll walk you through everything basically from A to Z. And just shoot me an email as well. My email is in the description down below. and then we can communicate. And if you have any questions about the system, don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel and you can see all the updates and success that I'm getting along the way here, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching.